Right, I filmed this one before my second shot of the vaccine, so it's not quite the end of September by the time I filmed it. So, but I don't really think I will be doing any skincare post-vax for at least a week for the rest of September. So this is all that I will manage to use up in September anyway. So I had 36 products to use up in September, October, November and December. 9 products per month. Let's see how I have done this month. First product is Hadalabel Shirojin Premium. Now, I finished the bottle. This is a refill, and I put the refill, the contents of the refill, into the bottle. So you won't see the bottle, you will see the refill. Absolute holy grail premium hyaluronic acid, 5 different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid to penetrate at different levels. This also contains tranexamic acid, which helps with post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. This one's brand new. I hope it goes away after the vaccine. This is the old formula packaging. They have reformulated it, but this is my last refill with the old formula. I have 3 packets which I bought in 2020, back when the reformulation came, of the reformulation. After that, I will stop buying the refill because this is not repurposable. On the other hand, those bottles are repurposable. So I will be sticking to the bottles after that. That's the first product. The second product now, I have 3 different serums that I finished this month, surprisingly. The first one is a tiny sample. Hadalabel's thirst quenching serum. We've seen this in all those advent calendars, GWPs and beauty boxes. Not bad, hydrating, soothing. Yeah, and yeah, I like Hadalabel. They're, you know, a decent brand. So will I repurchase? No, not right now. Oodles of serums to use up. The next product, thank goodness I've got rid of this. I mean, I've unfortunately got one more which I bought donkeys years ago. At the time, it was my holy grail serum. Now, looking at it makes me break out. But, you know, I've got to finish it up. So I mainly use it on my neck, but it does get all over the place. Maison Snail Repair Intensive Ampoule. At one point, snail was my holy grail product. I no longer use snail products. Repeat, I no longer use snail products. Now it's all about Centella for me. So I won't be repurchasing this. Also, it contains triethanolamine, which does break me out, I discovered recently. The next serum, though, I like. It is from Alpha Rage Vitamin B with copper peptide. 25 ml is full size, which is kind of weird size for a serum for me. A decent, nice peptide serum. I feel that it helped heal a few things on my face quicker. You know, when I do derma stamping, this helps heal my face faster. Will I repurchase? I've got one more. Lip product, don't laugh. Lip smacker. All gone. Lip smacker. Cheap as chips, does the job, easy to reapply, smells nice, tastes nice. Will I repurchase? I've got a whole tin of these things. The cheap as chips. So yeah, I've got tons of these to use up. Really nice, really good. Right, one shampoo, because my hair needed clarifying, which is why it's all over the place. I've got to go and shower this morning. I haven't showered yet, I know. Yeah, it is stupid o'clock. I've got to finish things before I get waxed. L'Occitane Revitalizing Fresh Shampoo, 75 ml. Nice for clarifying, removing product build-up, getting your hair all nice and poofy. Yeah, pre-waxing, if you want to, you know, clarify and get things sorted. Good choice. Smells nice. Will I repurchase? About 2 more. Face moisturizer this month is a weird one. I wanted to finish this. It actually came in a beauty box from, I think it was either Testa Korea or Beauty Net Korea or Beauty Box Korea. I've forgotten which of them it was. 3W Clinic 100% Snail Mucus Soothing Gel. Was an oil-free gel moisturizer. Yeah, alright to put above everything else. This was a whopping 300 grammer, which I absolutely struggled to finish. I think I took about, well, a very long time to finish, that's all I'd say. Thankfully, it didn't become contaminated or go off or anything, so I might as well, and I used it up. Yeah, won't be repurchasing it. Under eye patches, Petit Fee, Gold and EGF, Eye and Spot Patch. Hold on. I really love these under eye patches. They become all pruny and wrinkled up the following morning. You put on an eye serum, and then an eye cream, and then an eye patch on top, and your eyes are very hydrated. I know I've got eye bags. I'm not sleeping. I'm doing way too much. I've got way too much to do on my hands right now. So will I repurchase? Already have. Not the same brand. Some other brand. I like under eye patches, as long as they come in these, you know, generous big pots instead of single use packaging. that you can't even repurpose, which is what they send out in advent calendars. Body mist, which I used as a fabric mist. It smelled alright. It was fun to use. Patisserie de Bain, cranberries and cream body mist. Smelled exactly as it says. Cranberries and cream. Very gourmand. I wouldn't repurchase this, but it was fun to use up. Quite nice. Hand cream, I've got L'Occitane Roses, and this is 30 mils. As you can see, all gone. So will I repurchase? I have in another fragrance, the Almond Delicious. That is my favorite hand cream from L'Occitane. Body butter, Sephora Lagoon Nourishing Velvet Cream. All gone. Will I repurchase other fragrances? I've also got one of these as well. Sephora body butters are quite underrated. They're very, very good quality for the money. So let's take account 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 products I've used up this month. That leaves me with 25 to finish in the rest of this year. So I've got October, November, and December, and 25 products to finish. Let's see if I will get there. Stay tuned to find out. So what have you been using this month? Do tell me. Do tag me if you decide to post your empties or send me a picture. I will look as soon as I get time. Most probably well after I recover from my vaccination. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. I'll speak to you soon.